This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Keyword Surfer and making sure the icon is visible in your toolbar. Once installed, click the icon and enable the metrics you need, such as search volumes, CPC, and related keywords. Sign in if you want to sync settings. Now open Google and run a search. You should immediately see volume and keyword suggestions in the right side panel and under each result. Make sure to allow permissions so Surfer can overlay data on the SERP. Once you have Surfer active, use the sidebar to scan related keywords and monthly search trends. This gives quick context for intent and seasonality. Click any related suggestion to add it to your extension list or copy it to your clipboard for export. Compare CPC and keyword difficulty columns to prioritize terms that match your budget and capacity. Also check exact versus broad volume to fine-tune match types for campaigns or content targeting. This helps decide where you can realistically rank or bid. To finish, export your curated keywords via CSV or copy selected items and paste them into your keyword planner or content brief. This makes handoff simple. Refine the list using Surfer filters, set a minimum volume, CPC range, or tag by intent, then prioritize by opportunity. If metrics are missing or stale, reload the search, confirm the extension has page access, and temporarily disable other toolbar extensions that may block overlays. If problems persist, restart the browser and re-enable Surfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.